Okay, this is the Andrus Startling Color Change. Here's what it looks like. Just wave your hand, changes. And now I will explain that, how it works. Okay, usually want to use contrasting color, so we'll use a 10. So you have 10 of hearts and 10 of spades like that. Then this is the Andrus Startling Color Change. First you wave a couple times, conditioning the audience. You then, when you come across, as your hand come across here, you're going to go into a rear palm, but it's kind of at a diagonal angle. So we'll do that again. You show your hand. Just going to very slowly wave, and then you show your hand as you wave here. You're going to go right into the diagonal position of the rear palm. It's riding on your middle finger. You then come over, bring this into the deck. Now it's barely in the deck. Don't push it in with your fingers because this will stick out. You're going to use the pinky of your right hand as you come up and turn your right hand over. It's like that, and you can show nothing underneath. So it's one of the most beautiful color changes in magic. It's the Andrus Startling Change.